Learning to type well begins by understanding some very important basics about the computer keyboard. Most keyboards are of the QWERTY type. This name is derived from the location of the keys Q, W, E, R, T, and Y. This is the most common keyboard layout. In 1932, another keyboard layout was invented. It is called the Dvorak keyboard. Nevertheless, the QWERTY layout has remained the de facto standard in most countries, and it is the layout used in the LearnToType Today method. The LearnToType Today method teaches you how to type in a way similar to how you learned to read. Thus, we will learn the location of the basic keys on the keyboard from left to right and from top row to bottom row. The middle row of your keyboard is commonly called the home row. This is the location where your fingers will return after typing any key. Place your fingers on the keys as shown, starting with your little finger on your left hand and proceeding all the way to the little finger on your right hand. Your thumbs should rest on the space bar. To make learning your finger placement easier, we recommend placing a little piece of tape or a red dot on the G and H keys to indicate that these keys are not actually part of the home row position. Many new and even experienced typists make the mistake of placing their fingers on the G and H keys and then begin typing. Of course, this will lead to lots of errors. Therefore, get used to placing your fingers correctly before moving on to the next video, which will show you how to type the keys with your left hand.